Hello mga mamshi! Welcome to my healthy vlog! Ngayong araw pala ay nag-try nga kaming tikman yung lasa ng green grapes.
So ayun, yummy naman siya mga parang kumain lang naman kami ng kamatis sa laki nito, char! So ayun na nga mga mamshi, alam niyo ba kung ano yung makukuha nating sustansya pa sa pagkain ng green grapes?
Green grapes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support heart health, aid digestion, and protect your eyes and skin. This low-calorie snack is also a great source of hydration. And if you eat grapes at night, it can help improve your digestion, help you sleep better, control blood sugar levels, help improve your heart health, help you stay full at night, can help reduce inflammation, and can help improve your brain health. Green muscat grapes nga pala ang tawag dito. They typically grown in Japan or South Korea but originally in Japan. Yun lang. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye!